I put together a couple of clips here on some like strange anomalies I've noticed in flight. This is kind of a quick view, but you'll see little specks pretty much zooming past the camera. I kind of replay it a bunch of times so you can kind of get oriented where they are. And it doesn't seem to matter what the temperature is. It happens in cold weather and it's happened in warm weather, but it does tend to happen when I'm pointing towards the sun, and they seem to move very fast. They don't. I don't think they're insects because I've seen them in really cold weather. Uh, they're certainly not birds because they're going awful fast, and they look pretty small. But I've seen them in other videos, and this video is from the Mavic Pro, but I've also caught these on the Phantom 3 Standard. So I don't know what they are. I think I've seen a video or two out there on YouTube showing the same thing. And if you do remember, probably 10, 15 years ago when the first HD videos started coming out, there was those things, they were called flying rods, which they essentially turned out to be just birds. But got any ideas? Let me know.